Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, an education for us all. You're welcome once again to our or my kitchen. It's not really mine. I think it is our kitchen. As you can see, we've got some very simple things. We've got some mincemeat over here, keema. That has already got some chilies and onions that were put through the mixer, so that is already there. We will need some gram flour, and we will need the various spices. We have turmeric, we have chili, we have garam masala, and we have salt. So what we're going to do is very simple, what I call chunky kebabs. Okay, so can we put 3 spoonfuls of gram flour in there, please? Gram flour, of course, is garam masala.
बेसन नहीं है?
I'm getting my Urdu Punjabi mixed up. This is besan. Nazrin, yes, आप देख सकते हैं ये kebabs की रेसिपी है. Very very simple. कीमे में हमने पहले ही चिलीज और अनियंस मिक्स किए हैं, तो अब ये बेसन और स्पाइसेस मिक्स करेंगे. So if you found that you've put too much in, then one of the things that I do is to put a bit more oil into it. Okay, let's add some spices, around about a teaspoon there. That was masala, garam masala, and a little bit of salt, again a teaspoonful. What we got there? Chilies, yeah, chili powder and turmeric. Okay, give that a good mix. And over here, that you can see sizzling away, we've got some oil, so it needs to be really hot. So the mixture is ready there, viewers. One thing that I did forget to tell you that's included in the ingredients is an egg. So egg was beaten into to make the mixture. So we're ready to make the what I call chunky kebabs. They're sort of mini sea kebabs, really. Okay, just show you how we make them. So get the quantity, a fairly large quantity, because they're going to be thick and chunky. Okay, so what I always call fat sea kebabs, really. Okay, so not as thin. There we go. So you can see 2 of them there, and then we need to make cuts in those, and that always helps with the cooking. And there we go, and they're ready to go into the oil now. Okay, let's put those into the hot oil. There we go. Okay, so this is going to take a good 10 minutes to cook. 5 minutes on each side, I think. Okay, and there we have it. Going to cook those for 5 minutes. I've got our little snack, if you like, or condiment. So as you can see, they are coming along nicely. One side is cooked and I've turned it over. And we're ready to take our kebabs out. They're looking lovely. So as you can see, we have a little bit of salad on our plate, and we're going to put that into the plate for the presentation. And there we have it, viewers, my quick chunky kebab recipe. Okay, so let's have a look how they are on the inside. Just open that up, and as you can see, they're really nicely cooked, nice and soft. Okay, I do hope you'll try that, viewers. Thank you for watching. As always, please keep watching, please keep supporting the channel. Until the next time, I say thank you, look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आप ये सिंपल रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना. दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।